This video details the process of assembling the greenhouse frame using the pre-assembled gable ends and sidewall panels. It will detail assembly onto a pre-prepared base. The first step is to fit the side walls to the gables. The side walls have a tongue protruding from the corner mullion. This should be located into the corner post groove on the gable ends. The bottom of the corner post on the gable end and the side wall sill should be flush. Once happy, clamp or firmly hold the components together and fix using screw type SC156. Care should be taken to ensure the sidewall panel is positioned with the glazing recess facing out. The greenhouse is glazed from the outside. Fit the plain end gable and second sidewall using the same process. Fix the greenhouse to the steel base using the brackets and screws supplied in the base fixing kit. Space the brackets evenly around the structure. If you are fitting the greenhouse to your own concrete plinth, you will need to drill the frame and fix using roll plugs fastened into the concrete. Next, open the sash and roof vent box. Identify the two side sash windows. These are the frames with the pre-fitted metal hinges. The sash is fitted in the section with the transom. The top rail of the side wall is pre-drilled to locate the hinge fixing screws SC004. Line the hinges up with the holes and fix the sash into position. The sash should fit centrally in the frame. The sidewall transom is pre-drilled to locate the window stay pins. Line these up and fix with the screw type SC004. The window stay location is also pre-drilled on the sash. Fix in position using screw type SC004. The sash window can now be opened and closed using the window stay. Fix the other sash using the same method. The door bottom guide can now be fitted to the front gable. This is fitted to the front sill with the long leg below the frame, as shown. The angle on the bottom guide should be flush with the bottom of the sill. Fix in place using screw type SC125. The next stage is to fit the ridge. Before the ridge can be fitted, the two AL3300 plates need to be fixed. The end of the ridge is notched and the notched face has two pre-drilled holes. The ridge plate has two countersunk holes. Position the bracket with these facing out and fix in position using two SC027 screws. Repeat the process for the other ridge plate fitted to the opposite end. Lift the ridge into position and fix to the gable ends using screw type SC125. The roof spar specific to your greenhouse model will be a combination of plain and mortised ones. There will also be roof transoms to fit between the mortised roof spars. Fit part PT121 to both ends of all roof spars using screw type SC125. These brackets must be fitted as shown flush with the bottom edge of the roof spar. The angle cut on the roof spars is different at each end. The top angle is cut to sit flush against the ridge and the bottom angle sits on the top of the side wall. To fit the transom to the two mortised roof spars, you need to identify the top of the roof spar. This is done by measuring 508 mm from the top spar to the top of the mortised hole, as shown. When you have identified the top of the roof spar, you can fit the transom in place. Glue and screw this into position using screw type SC156. Care must be taken to ensure the glazing groove in the bottom of the transom is facing down and lines up with the glazing rebate as shown. Once all the roof spar brackets and the transoms are fitted, they are ready to be fixed into position. The ridge and the side walls have the roof spar fixing locations pre-drilled as shown. Line the spars up with these holes and fix into position using screw type SC125. Fix the ridge brackets first, then fit the opposite end to the side wall. Fit the remaining roof spars into position. The positioning of the window opening and the number of plane spars is determined by the model type you have. We recommend staggering the roof vent openings as shown. The final process before glazing is the fitting of the gutters. First, slide the PT206 brackets onto the gutter. Space these equally down the gutter so one bracket fits in the centre of each glazing section. Fit the gutter to the side wall by clipping the brackets onto the top of the side wall. Ensure the clips are firmly located in position. Next, fit the downspout spigot to the gutter. Unscrew the part PT200 and put the male threaded part through the hole in the gutter. Then fit the female part back into position and screw tool finger tight. Finally, fit the gutter ends PT205.